Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the UNiDAYS mobile app works. UNiDAYS is a discount platform designed specifically for students, offering deals and exclusive offers from top brands in fashion, tech, food, fitness, and more. The mobile app allows users to quickly access these discounts, verify their student status, and redeem deals directly from their phone. Once installed, students can register using their academic email or institution credentials to verify their eligibility. The app then unlocks a personalized feed of student discounts, limited time offers, and promo codes across various categories. Users can also save favorite brands, receive notifications for new deals, and redeem codes with just a tap, either online or in-store depending on the retailer. One of the biggest advantages of UNiDAYS is that it's free and easy to use, with a broad range of brand partnerships. The app is especially popular for fashion and tech savings, with recognizable names like Apple, Adidas, and ASOS. However, a downside is that access is strictly limited to verified students, and some users report occasional issues with re-verification or expired deals not being updated promptly. Real user feedback highlights the app's value and simplicity. Many appreciate the savings on everyday purchases, with one student sharing that they've saved hundreds on clothing and tech. Others mention the smooth verification process and helpful reminders for short-term promotions. A few users, however, noted that deal availability can vary depending on region or the retailer's participation. Overall, the UNiDAYS mobile app is a highly beneficial tool for students looking to make the most of their budgets. Its clean interface, verified access, and consistent brand partnerships make it a top choice for anyone in school seeking daily savings. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.